Okay, number 3. Okay, we're trying to think about a relationship that exists within our drawing. Okay, and this is a triangle with 3 angles. Okay, we want to take that relationship and write an equation. We're going to find x after we, set up an equation. And then I want to find any missing angles that I have in the problem that has an expression written next to it. Okay, so in this problem, I have 3 angles in a triangle. So you just want to think about, what do you know about the angles in a triangle? Okay, do you remember that they add up to 180? Angles add up to 180. Anytime you have a triangle, they add up to 180. So I'm going to write down an equation showing that if I add 8x minus 1 to 3x plus 4 to 3x plus 9, I will get 180. Okay, I'm just writing each equation, each expression added together must equal a total of 180. Okay, so there's my equation. Okay, I'm going to start solving this equation for x. Okay, first thing I want to do is combine like terms to solve this. Okay, 8x plus 3x plus 3x. Okay, let's see, that's 8 plus 6, that is 14x. I have a negative 1 added to 4 added to 9. Okay, negative 1 plus 4 is 3, plus 9 is 12. So I have 14x plus 12 on the left is equal to 180. Okay, then I want to subtract 12 from both sides. Better leave out a few words because I don't have room. Subtract 12 both sides. Okay, that'll leave me 14x equals, the 180 minus 12 is 168. Okay, then I'm going to divide both sides. 14 to solve for x, and I will end up with x is equal to 12. Okay, so now that I know x is equal to 12, I can find all 3 angles. So one angle is 8x minus 1, which would be 8 times 12 minus 1. 8 times 12 is 96. Minus 1 is 95. So one angle is 95 degrees. Okay, the other angle, well, there's 2 more. Okay, we have 3x plus 4 would be 3 times 12 plus 4. I'm just putting 12 in for x. 3 times 12 is 36 plus 4 is 40. And the last one is 3x plus 9. So 3 times x plus 9 would be 3 times 12 plus 9. Okay, 3 times 12 is 36. If I add 9 to that, I would have 45 degrees. Okay, so we use the relationship that the 3 angles must add up to 180, okay, because they're within a triangle. Okay, I took that equation and I solved it for x. Okay, I combined like terms, I subtracted 12, I divided by 14. Okay, then once I had x is equal to 12, I could find out what the angles were by taking these expressions, putting 12 in for each of these x's. And I got 95, 40, and 45 degrees. And if you wanted to kind of double check, if you added all 3 of those answers up, you're going to get 180 degrees. Okay, see a couple more. Actually, one more problem we're going to do in the video. We have a picture of 2 intersecting lines, okay, angles opposite each other. Do you remember what those are? Okay, those are vertical angles, okay, and they don't add up to anything special, but they're equal to each other, okay, they're congruent. So vertical, I'll just type in vertical angles are congruent, which means they're equal. So I'm going to write an equation showing that. Okay, I'm going to write an equation showing that 11y minus 36 is equal to 63. So 11y minus 36 is equal to 63. Okay, when I solve this, I'm going to add 36 to both sides. That would leave me with 11y equaling, 99. And then dividing both sides by 11, I'm going to get y equals 9. And the last step is to, once I get my equation solved, is to find the missing angles. Of course, you don't have to find the 63-degree angle because that's already there. Okay, all I really want you to do is find the angle that has an expression there next to it, 11y minus 36. So to find that angle, I'm going to take that expression and I'm going to put 9 in for y. 11 times 9 minus 36. Okay, 11 times 9 is 99. Take away 36 is 63. Whoops, is 63. I'm going to go to another line. Equals 63 degrees. Okay, so we knew that the two angles were equal because they were vertical. So we wrote an equation showing that the two angles were equal to each other. Okay, we solved for y. We got y equals 9. And then we put the y value of 9 in for y in the expression 11y minus 36. And we got 63 degrees. Okay, now that was, I realized that you would have known that that angle was 63 degrees because the two angles are equal to each other. But it's still good to get that practice of solving the equation for your variable. Okay, guys, there's 4 more problems pretty much just like these. Okay, do the best you can with them. Okay, show your steps, write what you're thinking. And then there are the solutions for 5, 6, 7, 8 at the end of this slideshow. There's a lot of slides at the very end that have nothing to do with anything you need, okay? A lot of extras. Okay, but do the next 4 on your own and then check. And please let me know if you have any questions. We'll continue this in class. Okay?